Namaskar. Welcome to briefing session of NCQC 2020. As you are aware that CCQC is being held and most of the chapters they have completed their CCQC and results are coming. They are sending information to the organization as well as to us. So all selected teams from CCQC as per the norms means those who are gold winner and silver winner are recommended by their respective chapter. They will be allowed for NCQC 2020. Due to any reason, if you have presented your case study in other chapter, then you must inform your chapter where you have presented so that they can ask to the chapter, respective chapter where you have presented, and they can recommend your circle name for NCQC 2020. You are fortunate enough that those who are going to get par excellence and excellent award in this NCQC 2020, they will be eligible to participate in ICQCC 2021 in international convention which QCFI is going to organize from 21st to 24th September 2021, and that is in our Novotel and HICC where we have organized 20 organized in ICQCC 2010. Now, what are the events? Let us discuss. Case representation. This time, this case representation is 150 marks. If you see your brochure, an annexure of the brochure, each and every step we have given, and against that we have given how many slides are required. Please note that if you are having more slide and that is required to show, you must show it. There is no negative marks. This is just a tentative that approximately this should be like this. But if you have more, okay, you can show it. This time, we are not asking you about your step 1, identification problem, and step 2, selection of problem. Directly, you have to start with the third step, define the problem. As usual, along with the quality circle case studies, all the allied concept case studies consist of 5S, Kaizen, Lean Quality Circle, Lean Safety Circle, Quality Improvement Team, Six Sigma, SMED, POCA-YOK, TPM, WCM, and any other allied concepts that will be presented in a new modified way. I already mentioned this is given in our annexure of the brochure. This is also given in our web also for each and every step, how many slides, and in case of video presentation, approximate time. So if you see the case study presentation, 1 minute you have to show through video your process. By the same way, 3 minutes you have to show through video about the problem, and within 3 minutes what solution you have done, what improvement you have made, that to be shown. And 1.5 minute, 2 persons among the team members, they can speak about. The first question is what benefit you have got by involving yourself in these concepts. And second question is what benefit you have got by solving this particular problem. All these video recording, it's not that you call the professionals. You may do this with your mobile also. only thing you have to take care when you are showing any object, some light should be there. If not, take the additional light so that you can show the object properly. Suppose you are not able to show it in your process due to some constraint, you can make the flow diagram of your process and that can be explained. By the same way, for problem, to describe the problem as well as what improvement you have made, if you are not able to show it physically in the equipment, in the process, you can do it through the model also, through animation also. And if this is also not possible, through pictorial presentation also. And for the presentation, if there is any language problem, this to be either in the Hindi or English, but if there is any language problem, then your facilitator can do the same. There is no deduction of marks for this particular point. So about 10 minutes video presentation is there in which we are going to show process, your problem and solution. And this is unique this particular time. Then knowledge test. As usual, knowledge test will be for 50 marks. Link will be sent to you. At about 2:20-25, you must open your laptop, open it, and you will get OTP. Once you open it, by 3:30, knowledge test will start. First 5 minutes, there will be instructions. Read it carefully. And then one by one question will come. In general, 15 questions will be asked where there is no calculation. And 5 questions will be asked where there will be calculation. So first 15 questions, you will get 50 seconds, 50 seconds. Time will run over there. You have to see. If you are able to do it within 50 seconds, you can go for next question. But suppose you are not able to do it within 50 seconds, question will come automatically. If you have ticked it, but you have not submitted, don't bother. Automatically that will be submitted as the time is over. After 15 questions, the 16th question onward, 16 to 25 questions, you will be given 90 seconds, 90 seconds, 90 seconds, because calculation is there. Be ready with your calculator, with your pen. Knowledge test for a particular team will be same question. Means total group will get only one type of questions. But there are the random question. The next team will get a different question. Next team will get a different question. So read carefully and tick the appropriate answer. But once you ticked it, you cannot delete that. You cannot go back. If you go back, then you will lose the test. So once you tick it, then you can go for the next question. So once you are confident, you tick it. There is no negative marks. And all your team members, including facilitator, they are participating in this. So within 20 minutes, this will be over. And you have not submitted, don't bother, that will be submitted automatically. Due to some reason, there may be some failure or something. So one time again you will get OTP, one time only. Suppose you have completed 17 questions, the 18th question will come. And once you complete all these three, this will be over. So this is very important because case representation and knowledge test consists of 200 marks. Now coming to the poster, this time we have added cartoon also, poem, slogan, and completion. As usual, you can send it. Essay on the theme of the convention, self-reliant India through quality concept in 300 words, either in English or Hindi. Now quiz contest will also be there. Question will be given as in case of knowledge test, was only first 100 teams. Those who are interested, this is optional. 100 teams will be registered. Question will be given. And from one organization, from best team will be selected. For example, in a particular organization, 2 people got 20 marks and 20 marks. In such case, those who have done early will be selected. By this way, best 10 team will be selected for live quiz. In live quiz also, date and time will be given to you. As usual, live quiz will be conducted. You will be 3 people along with your laptop. Be ready over there. Question will be asked. And as soon as the time over, if one person given a wrong answer, he will be out. If 2 persons they have given a wrong answer, both will be out. But if 3 persons they have given a wrong answer, then this will be considered that question is tough. Nobody will be out and next question will be asked. Suppose out of 10, yeah, those who are there, all are given right answer. In such case, those who have given the answer at the end, means taken more time, will be out. By the same way, suppose at the end there are 2 persons, question is asked, and both have given the right answer. Then the person who has given answer early will be considered number 1 and second will be number 2. So quiz contest is also there. Skit completion. Now you have to record and set it. So in case of skit, it's not that continuously you have made some mistake. Now you have a good chance that you record it properly and send it. If there is anything, you can cut and do it again. Then all these, the last date is 20th November. But this time, Karakuri Kaizen, Home Kaizen, Home 5S, individual Kaizen, model presentation, evaluation will be done based on video recording of the presentation. Just 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, you have to present what you have done. Whether this is the model, individual Kaizen, even if you have done very good in the 5S in your home, and you want to show your home as a 5S, okay, Home Kaizen, you have done some Kaizen in your home or Karakuri Kaizen. And for this particular group, 10th December is the last date. Others, 20th November is the last date because other will be evaluated, communicated to all of you. So 10th December to 20th December, we can evaluate all these things. New thing, whatever we have added is talent in cultural program. in your organization. If anyone is having a different type of talent, it's not only singing, it's not only dance, it's not only mimicry. There are so many, even from the schools, from the colleges, students, if they can present such talent to be recorded, and this should be within 3 to 5 minutes, including dance, mimicry, and whatever, and that to be sent to us, the best of them will be rewarded. For the life member of our QCFI, from the life member, because for them this was difficult, that taking the family, bringing to the convention. But this time, from their home itself, if any family member or relative having a special talent, you record that and send to us. So member organization can also participate in this talent in cultural program, and family members or relatives of the life member can also do the same. We want to develop more juries. So we are going to organize a series of programs for the juries, and they will be given the input of different quality concepts and problem solving tools and technique. And this will be for a week program. This will cost about 10,000 rupees per person. But here, special motivation to coordinators, in-house trainers. In-house trainers means the trainers for that particular organization, and for the facilitators. At the rate of 18 participants, one executive will be allowed free to participate in this. Suppose a particular team has sent 72 people. So 4 executives will be allowed free to participate in this particular jury training. And that is totally free. We want to develop more juries, and there will be tests. And those who qualify, getting 75% more marks, will be eligible for our forthcoming national conventions, future also. And those who are getting 80% plus, they will be selected for international convention also. You know, the participation fee of international convention about $550, 40,000 per person. But here they will be allowed free. So it's a good opportunity for the coordinators, facilitators, trainers, and senior executives. They can be nominated by the management for these programs. These programs will be conducted in different months. So based on your availability, you can join any one of the program, and we have to finalize it by May month, so that we can nominate juries for international convention, which is going to be held in our Hyderabad, as I mentioned, in September. So friends, this time we have added Karakuri Kaizen and Lean Safety Circle. Up to that, many of the chapter convention, they have started receiving and evaluating the case study. So many of them, because they have learned just now, they may not be able to participate in CCQC. No problem. Such case studies, Karakuri Kaizen, that can be presented as a model. In Safety Circle, just like a lean body circles on the safety, because this is introduced first time. So we are giving a special concession of 50% to all these category so that they can present, we can record, and we can show it to others that what is Karakuri, how they have done, what is lean safety circle, how they have done it. So these case study, if you have done it, you can send it directly to QCFI headquarters. We will consider it. Individually, those who are the individual member, say many of the students, they are doing the projects. So this is the opportunity for them to present their project, and we have put especially rupees 2,000 rupees for presentation, and award as usual for excellence that will be given to them, and they will be eligible to participate in international convention also. Now, how to send the case study, how to send the videos, because in case of case representation, as usual, you are making a PowerPoint presentation, PPT, you can send it. I told you there is no restriction of number of PPT. This is just a guidelines given to you. But video recording at appropriate place, you can put a mark and how you are going to send it so that we can easily receive it. Mr. Manoj, who is going to take care of all these things, we request Manoj to brief about you. And all these things are given in our web also. This clipping will also be given in the web also. Whenever you like, you can listen, you can refer, and if any problem, you can contact QCFI headquarters. Thank you very much, and over to Mr. Manoj.
Sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity to be part of this instruction video. As most of you are well aware, it is mandatory to have an active QCFA membership to participate in CQC on recommendation from the local respective chapter. So to register online, please come to qcfi.in, load the membership login page. Request all the members to keep your membership details ready before coming to this page. Provide your membership ID, type in the password, and click on login. As soon as you come to the membership dashboard, look for NCQC link on the page. Click on the link. It will take you to a welcome screen. So as soon as the welcome screen is loaded, look for a button, click here to add view teams. So it's a stepwise process. So on the dashboard, you have various links for the competitions like poster, slogan, poem, essay, skit. So click here to participate in these competitions. A form is loaded for entries of the submissions. Choose your competition type. For example, I'm choosing skit. Provide your name, provide your email ID, give us your mobile number, and here it says enter video link. So especially for skit, model, and cultural program videos, we are requesting all the members to record these videos in advance to the maximum of 5 minutes and upload to a third-party storage set, because most of the videos sizes will be more, so it's always suggestible to upload them to a third-party sites. So Google Drive is a reliable storage site, or you can use your internal company storage site. Upload your video recordings to Google Drive. Click on File Upload. Look for your video recording file which you saved in onto your local computer. So I have a dummy video recording which I'm uploading. So as soon as you upload, the file will get uploaded to Google Drive with a green tick. Open the file. And the most important step now is to get the shareable link of this video link. So on the top right corner, you have these more options with 3 vertical dots. Click on share link. A pop-up comes up. Get the link. But before getting the link, always choose this option called anyone with the link. This will help our judges to view your file without any interruption. Copy the link, come back to the QCFI portal and paste. Enter any comments. Submit your file. So the entry will be automatically submitted to your account. These links will be accessed by our judges for evaluation. So now we'll see how to upload the files or the final PPT presentation for the main competition in NCQC. Click on NCQC, proceed further to the NCQC dashboard. On the bottom right corner, go to step 1. So click on add new circle. So provide your team name, project title, your chapter, the contact person details for the team. It can be the coordinator, then the participant details like all the member names, the gender, designation. And this year, only one person among the team will get the link for knowledge test because it's an online link. And once the member receives the online link, all the team members can sit with him or her to solve the knowledge test. The designated time slot. So we're requesting whomever you choose for the knowledge test, provide a unique email address. And in the next step of the registration, so this year you're not required to upload any case study in PDF format. You need to only upload one presentation PPT. If you go through the brochure, please look for Annexure 1 in the brochure, where case study presentation in PPT format evaluation system is clearly given for QC, Allied Concept, LQC, 5S. So for example, we'll take QC. Various videos are requested showing the problem area and problem through video to be recorded for 3 minutes. So you can prepare these recordings in advance and prepare your final PPT where you can insert these videos within the PPT using insert option in PPT application. So save them to a folder along with the PPT as well as the videos. And as I explained earlier, you can again make use of these third-party storage sites to upload the folder. So if you come to Google Drive, you have an option called folder upload. So this folder would contain the PPT as well as the videos. So this is an important step that you need to keep in mind. While preparing the PPTs, insert the videos inside the PPTs and upload the folder to the Google Drive and get a shareable link. Shareable link of the folder like you did it for any file. So once the folder is uploaded, so I'm just showing you an example on how to insert the videos into the PPT. So I'll open a slide, go for insert option, look for video. Instead of choose the video from your file and insert. You can resize these videos also. I think most of the teams are aware of this feature in PPT. So insert the video and save the file, the PPT file along with the video to a folder. So I'll say save as, browse. And save. So the PPT will be saved along with the video. And I request once you open the folder. The folder should have the PPT along with the videos you inserted. So this folder can be uploaded to Google Drive. And thank you all members for listening to us on the guidelines to register your teams and upload the files. Thank you one and all.